All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite coins. You see it on the screen, Dogelon Mars. Some of you call it Dogelon Mars. Well, we're having camera problems today, trying to figure out how to get this little logo off the screen, and it says to click here for purchase, and I'm clicking here for purchase, and it takes me to nowhere. So you're going to basically have a great video today. I'm not going to be able to show my face because I can't purchase the upgrade. No big deal. On this show, we actually talk about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about one of our favorite coins, Dogelon Mars. What's going on with this coin? Is it going up? Is it going down? I mean, we all know that the crypto is going down. Go to their Twitter account, give a little bit of an update. I got a pretty good lineup lined up for Dogelon Mars. This may be a little different because I don't have to switch from myself to the screen. So we're going to go ahead and wing this today and make it happen. All right, everybody. Over here, Dogelon Mars. At coin market cap, ding, 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 ding. Take a look at this. It's down 29%. Can you freaking believe it? This coin is down. Now, right below it, there's a coin down 32%. There's a coin above it down 33%. This is, they say millionaires will be made during this time. Millionaires is such a, if you're not a millionaire or anywhere close to it, it's outside of your realm. But what I could say is, let's say you had $5,000 in your account that you were playing with. Now, let's say you had $10,000 in your account you were playing with. We'll make it more realistic. You could turn that $5,000 into $50,000 or that $10,000 into $100,000. You'd be nowhere near a millionaire, but you actually could buy these coins at a discount when they freaking not shoot to the moon, but when they just go back up to normal where they were at 2 months ago, a month and a half ago. Your sack, your bag of gold, your bag of Dogelon Mars would go up a lot. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. We do this show to basically to bring great stuff to the viewers and also document my journey. Dogelon Mars down 29% for the week, down 7% for the day. Clicking it here. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 25.42. Well. Look at that freaking chart there. I mean, a lot of times I talk about sled riding, but if you were sled riding down this, I mean, it wouldn't even be safe. You wouldn't even let your kid go down this kind of like, woo! Okay, so Dogelon Mars, jumping down like it's going crazy. Now here it looks like it's stabling, but it used to be up here. Is this a good time to actually cost average and get yourself some Dogelon Mars? Going over to their Twitter account, big news right here, Coinbase, custodial now supports deposits and withdrawals. You see Elon right here. Let's blow this up right here. Right there is the Elon. So you can go to Coinbase, and it says it supports deposits and withdrawals, plus all these other coins here too, which is fantastic. I got a little article here, Dogelon Mars Price Prediction of 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? It says, the meme-packed design aside, Elon lacks the true functionality. Will it survive or will it go to the dogs? They were saying that, a couple things that they weren't happy about this is there's no white paper on this actual site over here, not a single white paper at all, and there's no functionality. So, and here's a nice little story. They like to do little stories. They like to have little comic things. In the year 2420, baby Dogelon fell from the alien sky in a flash of emerald light. Take a look at the little light. Oh, there's the light. Walking in strange, distant jungle, young Dogelon encountered friends and foes alike. So was born the legend of Dogelon Mars. So look, he fell from the sky, and there's the comics, and they're all about comics. They don't have white papers or anything like that, but they have a lot of comics. So look at the spider here coming on in to find the little Dogelon. And then look, basically somebody here saves it. Yes, you're coming with me, kid. So somebody right here saves the little Dogelon there. Take a look. So the spider was coming in right here to go get him, and this alien person helped him. Dogelon Mars Exposed can be followed in the official Dogelon Mars comic series. And I clicked that. Where's that at? I have that right over here. Dogelon Mars comic series. So they're very into comics. And you know what? There's a lot of people that are into comics, so that could be a good little thing. But I have heard a lot of complaints that people don't like that Dogelon Mars does not have a white paper. Most coins have a white paper. Now we know that this coin is going to be used for intergalactic travel. So when we're going to Mars here in the next few years or next decade, when you go to pay, you're not going to pay in dollars, you're not going to pay in euros, you're not going to pay in Bitcoin, you're going to pay in Elon. Now, isn't that funny? Tesla, Elon Musk has a SpaceX, and you would think SpaceX is going to be the actual way you would get to Mars, right? You would figure, Elon would help you get there with SpaceX, and you're going to pay in the cryptocurrency called Elon. Coincidence or pre-planned? You let me know in the bottom in the comment. What is Dogelon Mars? A meme token. Dogelon Mars lacks much of the way of utility, nor does it want it. As part of both the Dogecoin craze, which includes Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu, Elon Musk coin craze, which includes Dogelon Mars value, is predicted as a possibility of trending on social media. Holders can store Elon tokens in their wallet and hope for the best. Now, that is one of the things you're going to now we don't have to go to the moon. We don't have to become millionaires off this coin. But if this coin 10x's or 7x's from where it's at right now in the next 90 days to 12 months, that would be a pretty good investment. Now, again, all my information on this show are for educational purposes only. As its part, Dogelon Mars coin was certainly managed to build its own online following since it was launched on Ethereum April 2021, a little over a year ago. The Twitter page has more than 550,000 followers, while the Telegram channel has 81,000 members. Elon's address shows about 137,000 Ethereum addresses hold the token. So there's 137 of us that are holding the Elon, holding the Dogelon Mars. The largest Elon account belongs to the foundation, a non-profit focus on developing life-extending medical technologies, which is connected to the Ethereum founder, VB. So we got there's a lot of good stuff going on. I like this right here. Here we go. This is what it's going to be like when we're going to Mars. We're going to be sitting there, and we're going to be getting, just going really, really fast. We're going to look down at our little, not really your wallet. It would probably be something you're wearing on your wrist or something for your currency wallet. Be like, how much Elon did this cost? How much cryptocurrency did this cost to get to Mars? So pretty cool there. Going over to their website, Dogelon Mars, crypto, a couple places you can get this coin, crypto.com, Uniswap, OKEX, KuCoin, Huobi, and Gemini. I am Dogelon Mars. Join me together and we will reach the stars. We've already talked about their community, how big it is. The nice thing about the comics, if you're into comics, this is the most fantastic thing ever. Look at all these comics you can look at. Here's the one I was just showing you how he fell from the sky. I mean, comics. Disadvantage, no white paper. I don't think it would take too long. I mean, if you hired somebody or somebody on your project, if they spent 3 days, 4 days researching everything you already been in existence for over a year, I don't think it'd be take you long to get a white paper. So if any of you watching this have any connections to actual Dogelon Mars, the coin, other than my followers, let's get a white paper, guys. It would make the investors feel a little bit happier. We know that the kids and we know that some people love the comics, but some investors actually like white paper. Here we go. We got more comics over here. In February of 2022, Dogelon is not a meme token or a junk token. It's a mission token. A mission token brings the community together along with the ultimate mission. It's direct its development messaging, the infrastructure, investments towards achieving the mission. And it's our goal beyond just creating wealth and riches. Yeah, remember their mission is this token is going to be the token that is used for intergalactic travel when we go to Mars. And we'll probably be going to Mars in SpaceX with Elon has himself and Tesla. And when you're going on the SpaceX spaceship in 1 year, 5 year, 10 year, 30 years, you will be paying in your cryptocurrency. Here's a nice thing. If you did want to go to Mars, maybe get yourself $100 or $200 in Dogelon Mars today. By the time that's available in 10 years, your $100 could shoot to the moon. I should say shoot to Mars. And now your $100, $200 in the year 2022 could be your ticket there and back to Mars. I don't know. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. All right, I got a little treat here. Two things. This BNB miner for people that are into mining. I wanted to show you this. Not even a month ago, probably about 3 weeks ago, I put one BNB into this. And if you take a look here, I've already got 1.6 BNB back. Not back, but it's grown to that. So my investment has grown 70% in about 3 weeks. At the time, BNB was $298, so I put like $300 in. I looked at my stats today. I've already claimed $159. So let's make it 160. So I've already claimed about 55 or 60% of my initial investment. My investment of one BNB was actually now 1.7, and so now this thing pays 3% a day. So BNB miner pays 3% a day. So my 3% is being factored in on 1.69. I'll show you real quick how to do this. Look, I got a little bit here. I'm going to go ahead and compound it. Your MetaMask wallet comes up, and basically I put it in and I compound it. Look how fantastic that is. And now that little 0.002 is going to go right here, and it's going to be 1.69, and there's we got a 4 there. Give it a second. Boom. There's the first part. Boom. And the 4 went actually to 5. So there's my first treat for you. My second one is going to be right here, the Cake of Fortune. This, some people say it's a copycat of BNB. I had somebody in my channel the other day saying, be careful. It's a copycat of BNB Miner. Well, first of all, BNB Miner's been out for 450 days. That little thing I just showed you, this right here, look, 452 days. This miner's been paying for 452 days. I have a slew of miners I got into, and a month later they're gone, 2 months later they're gone. This miner's been paying for 452 days. So, okay, great. This is a copycat. I can't wait for this to be paying for 452 days. I've been in for about a month here. Well, actually, I've only been in it for about a week and a half. It's been around for about a month. When I got into this, there was about $4,000 into the token, into the contract. It's already doubled in the last like 3 weeks, which is fantastic. Take a look how much money's in there. But you basically put cake in here. Cake's worth almost about $3 right now. You go ahead and you approve your cake. Then you put your cake in, and the same functions. There's a YouTube thing right here. You can click it. I'll actually play it for a second.
Hello, welcome to my next YouTube video. My name's Crypto Craig, and today is Sunday, so we all know what's going on today. It is the rehypothecation day. So today we are going over the cake of fortune, and we are on 1030 cake. In the past 5 days we have had an increase of...
Okay, so that's Craig. He's talking about cake. He's one of the developers, or the developers. It's right on the actual page. Look, I'll show you again. YouTube, click it right here. And literally the nice thing about this is everything you need to know. And then also a new one, Elk of Fortune, is coming out this week, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. And Elk of Fortune is going to feed 1% into cake. Take a look right here. It's got cake right here. So again, we're talking about Dogelon Mars today, but I wanted to bring you a treat. I'm into these 6-in-1 miners, and I've actually came to the conclusion that literally BNB Miner and Cake of Fortune are probably the two best. I think BNB Miner is the best because it's been around for 400 and some days. But again, all my information is for educational purposes only. But I have a feeling that this little bad boy is going to be around for 400 and some days. You'll all thank me in 6 months from now when this bottom down here just goes to the moon. But when it does, you'll be like, you heard it from Frank's Crypto Corner here first. All right, doing a little price prediction here. Let's go back here. Look at there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 2532. Let's go down 6 zeros and a 2020. Nobody knows when it's going to hit the bottom, but let's just assume it keeps going down because everything else is going down. That shouldn't change your strategy to buy some of these tokens and get yourself a cost average real nice, because the reality is eventually this is going to be the token that is used for Mars. Now here's the funny part. I can't point my little fingers and say click over here. Can't point my fingers and say click right here, and you can see this, but it's going to be on the screen. Over here to the left, you're going to have BNB miner, go ahead and click this right here. And this is going to take you to my video on BNB Miner. It explains how awesome this video is, about how this miner has been around at that time, I think, for 444 days. And click on the other side for BUSD crop yield farmers. This little bad boy pays out in BUSD. And again, you don't have to wake up the next day and have your coin drop 30%. All right, we're having camera issues. I'm trying to pay for the upgrade. It says to click here, and you click it, and it doesn't go nowhere. And I go to my setting page, and it says to click here, and it doesn't go nowhere. So we're going to be doing videos without me and my little face in the bottom right until I can pay for this freaking upgrade. All right, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Dogelon Mars, one of my favorite tokens, and I brought you two fantastic miners, BNB Miner and the Cake of Fortune. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day, and we will see you a little bit later on today.